Welcome to PacketStorm's personalized college football ranking system. The user can set values for each win and loss depending on the opponent tiers and the margin of the game score. The user can set three different brackets for the winning margin. In this example, it's up to 0 to 8 points or 1 to 8 points, 9 to 24, and over 24 points. Similarly, for the losing margin, when a team loses, uh, the brackets are, in this case, 10, 11 to 16, and over 16. And on the other axis is the opponent rank tiers. And right now we have set to the top 12 teams, the top 30, top 50, top 70, and over 70. And for each combination of margin and opponent ranking is a value system for wins and also for losses. So let me demonstrate how easy this is. You can change the winning margin right here at the top of the axis, and we can change it very easily to 10 points. Okay, hit return, and you'll see the team ranking results by changing the margin from 8 to 10 for that bracket. You'll see that some teams change. The next bracket would be 24, and the last one is over that. For the losing margin is similar. You can put in whatever value you want, and again, you'll see that the team ranking result changed corresponding to the bracket change. Over on the opponent ranking tiers, this is where we give this row would be the certain value for wins and losses depending on the margin and the opponent ranking. So right now we have the top 12, but if we move that to the top 10, you'll see that the teams have changed in the team ranking result. So these get automatically updated with any change that you do to the margins, the opponent ranking tiers, or to values themselves. If we made a drastic difference, which wouldn't make any sense, and just made it 2, you would see that the results change correspondingly. So let's move this back to something that's more sensible, and we'll move it back to 10. Now the opponent tier ranking is what we use to determine what is the value of a game against a certain opponent. And in this case, we have tiers of 10, 30, 50, and 70. So any team that's 1 to 10 would provide the same value when a opponent plays those teams in this case. Of course, these are variables and they can be changed, the brackets for the tiers. Now, to change the order of the opponent tier ranking, we come down here and go to this other tab called Opponent Tier. And if we go here, we see that there's a list of names that are sent to the other page for display, but on this page you can come in and change the order that you like. So to do that, you follow these simple instructions. Select a cell, move the mouse to the edge of the cell, and you'll see 4 directional arrows. When you see that symbol, then press Shift and have the mouse down, and then drag your mouse to where you want that cell to be changed with. And as you can see, Texas Tech has then moved above Oregon. But if I want to move it back, I do the same process. I have the 4 directional arrows. I hit Shift. I have the mouse go down. I hold that down until I get to my spot, and I let it go. And that's as easy as it is. And everything that you make changes here, you come back and they're displayed on the top level display.